What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing another install video on the 2019 Roadglide special. Today we have the Ciro drink holder. So we're gonna get this thing opened up and see what's all in the package, and we're gonna get it mounted up. Thinking I'm gonna put it on this side here. So let me get it unboxed and see what's inside. So here's the cup. Got some directions. This is the mount. Comes with bolts. So here are the directions for it. Looks like you just take these two bolts out right here, and it comes with a perch mount, which is this. So essentially that thing's gonna go there or there, however you want it. And that's about it. It comes with bolts. So let's get these out and we can get this perch mounted up. So we got the T27 Torx out. These, which hold it together, got those out. This whole thing comes apart. So now we use the long bolts and an Allen and these spacers. You put this through here, put a spacer on, and then you bolt it all back together. So let me get that done. So you got the perch all mounted, 2 Allen screws, the lever and everything is all back. So now we just mount the cup. The little screw on for adjustability right there. Let's get it open and get it on there. So we got the cup unwrapped. What you have to do, take this off. You put that over this. Then you take the cup, push it on. This gives you your adjustability. And then this is how you lock it in. Now we're gonna adjust it, lock it down. Now you're ready to hit the road with your brand new Ciro drink holder. Now, as always, tune in for more install and ride videos. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you on the streets. There you go. Now you can ride Got your drink. And this is rubber, so different size drinks can go down in here. Good to go. All you gotta do is hit the highway. I'll leave a link to the description of the Ciro drink holder down in the description box below.